Hey everybody, this is another option if you didn't if you wanted to create a storytelling quilt. You can color in the little pages and piece them together, or you could design your own geometric quilt block design. And so what I'm going to do is I also have this as an option for you to print out. But if you don't have a printer and you're looking through the flash file folders, I will also have this handout in the bottom drawer on the filing cabinet on the right, and I'll try to have it labeled for kindergarten and some of the other classes can also use this. But and I'm going to, in about 2 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can draw a neat geometric design, and you can color it in, and you can design your own early American quilt block design. Hey everyone, this is if you want to design your own quilt block design, and you want to come up with your own quilt block and not necessarily do a storytelling where you can draw a picture, so this is a second option if you would like to do this project. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my black crayon, and you can color in different squares. You can also use, if you have construction paper, moms and dads can help you out with cutting 2-inch squares, and you can glue the squares on. We have done that in the past. Checkerboard quilts like this. You can do 2 colors, alternate them, do an A-B pattern, or you can come up and create your own. And what all you have to do is just take, I use construction paper and cut 2-inch squares, and then just glue them inside the squares. Or you can design and draw your own. So if I wanted to create, say the Pilgrims came over on the Mayflower, what if I could do the Mayflower? So what if I color all 4 of these in blue? That could be my, it could be the water. And then I could use my black crayon and maybe go from corner to corner, make a straight diagonal line. And then I can go corner to corner, make a straight diagonal line. And I make this upside down trapezoid, 2 triangles, 2 squares, and then I can color that in. Maybe if it's my ship, if it's the Mayflower, I can color that brown. Okay, now if this is the ship, then what are these 2 triangles? Well, that's actually going to be the sky. So if this is the ocean, we don't want to color the same color, the sky the same color as the ocean, or it'll all look the same. So I'm going to pick a different color, blue, to color in the sky. Okay, now at the top, I can actually do sails. So I'm going to find my black crayon again, and I'm going to make these triangles. I can go from corner to corner, corner to corner. And I'm going to do the same thing at the top, and they sort of look like sails or flags. And you say, I don't see it. Okay, it's how you color it in. And so if I find my sky color blue, and I'm going to color in this rectangle blue, and I'm going to color this triangle blue. I'm going to skip this. This is my sail or a flag, and I'm going to color this guy blue. And then I'm going to leave this one white. I can come back and color in a different color in a second. I'm going to color this one as my sky. So now you probably see the ship of the Mayflower. Now you could leave those white if you want white sails, but I sort of like coloring everything in. And so if I want, I could pick different colors. I could make them red. I want to sort of make it really bright, so I'm going to use a yellow. You don't have to color all of the sails the same color. You can actually, they give you different colors. So there's 100, there's endless possibilities of things you can draw using that same square, 16 square template. If you'd like to draw a star, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the corners the same. I won't touch or draw anything in the corners. And all I'm doing is drawing diagonal lines. So if I was going to make a star, I could start in the second box at the top and go diagonal down and then go diagonal up. Makes the letter V. And then if I looking at these two in the center, and I want to touch that one. If I'm going to do the same thing I did here, I'm going to do it in these two. So I'm going to start in the second box going down, and I'm going to make a diagonal down, and then we'll make a diagonal that goes out. What we do at the top, we're also going to do at the bottom, and so, but it's backwards. And so instead of starting at the top, I'm going to start at the bottom and go up, and then from the top, diagonal down. What we do on the left, we're also going to do on the right, but it's the opposite side. And so instead of starting going this direction, I'm going to be going from the out heading in, and then from the in going out. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but you've actually made a star. And so if I wanted to color in the star, say if I want to make a bright yellow star, what I'm going to do is I'm going to color inside the triangles. Trying to think of something I could do on the outside. I sort of like this this color blue or this color blue. I think I might go with that one. Actually, I have a third blue, so I'm going to go with the third blue.